Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you the software we have used to mass posting reel with your multiple Instagram accounts. So here is my software I could using to manage multiple Instagram accounts. So first of all is account management. So in this function you can add and manage a limited Instagram account that you want. So next to mass posting reel, you need to prepare content. So you need to go to content management to add a new content about reels. So in here you need to make a new category, and after having a category you need to add article to add a new post. So first you will select category, select platform, select the type, about reel you will select the video, and you will choose article, and you will enter the title and the content in here. And next you will select the photo or video that you want to post. And after having the content like this, I will go to post function, and in here you will choose post reel option. And next I will select the account that I want to post reel. Next I will set up the basic configuration. So first is a breakable time iteration. I will set up from 10 to 20 seconds. And next I will select the content about reel I just add in the content management. And because I just choose one content, and I will need to allow duplicate content between account and action. And I can set up the number of each video each account will post, and you can choose many options like about resize image, tag the username that you want. You can set up the position, or you can share to Facebook account, or you can interact the post after posting done. Okay, so after everything set up, I press start and let the software to do work. Okay, so basically just show you the software we have used to mass posting reel on Instagram with your multiple accounts. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me by Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe for my channel to see more video about automation software.